I'm Cody.
I'm Ava.
I'm Molly.
And welcome to Science Vibes.
Today we'll be talking about constellations.
More specifically, Delphinus Constellation. We'll be covering the history of it, its brightest star, and its second brightest star. Hope you enjoy.
Okay guys, read exactly what the script says.
Okay.
And nothing but the script.
I think we should spice this up a little bit.
Wait, what do you mean?
Hold on. My name's Ava. Yeah. Molly, give me a beat. Our constellation is Delphinus. What? It looks just like a dolphin. No duh. The brightest star is Rotanev. Oh yeah, and the second brightest star is Alpha Delphini. Let me drop some knowledge on you.
No, please stop. Cut this out, please.
What are you doing, Cody? You're missing my rap scene.
Let's travel to the ocean to look at the history of the Delphinus. Now, behind us we have the natural dolphin living in the water, and yeah, that's it. Today we are at the ocean. Listen to its beautiful sounds. Delphinus is a constellation that resembles a dolphin. It is one of the smaller constellations, as it is 66th out of 88 recognized constellations. Just listen to those beautiful dolphins. Anyway, back to the point. Delphinus can be seen in the month of September in the northern hemisphere. The right ascension is 21 hours and the declination is 10 degrees. Don't you just love the beach and the people making their beautiful sandcastle creations? Ugh, that guy has a terrible tan line. Oh, get that out of your head. Okay, anyway, Delphinus. Okay, it lies in the fourth quadrant in the northern hemisphere and can be seen at latitudes between positive 90 degrees and negative 70 degrees. That's all you need to know. Delphinus got its name when he convinced Amphitrite, Poseidon's love, to come back to Poseidon. Due to this convincing, Poseidon and Amphitrite eventually got married and lived happily ever after. Due to his thankfulness, Poseidon took Delphinus' body and placed him in the stars to forever be remembered.
Don't you just love stargazing? Well, I do. I just love looking up at the night sky and seeing all those cool constellations and their stars. One of my favorites is actually Delphinus. The brightest star in Delphinus is Rotanev. It has a brightness of 2.65. The lower the number, the brighter the star, and its color is yellow-white. Rotanev has a temperature of 6,635 degrees Kelvin, or 11,483.33 degrees Fahrenheit. That's really hot. A lot hotter than Molly. Okay, moving on. Its distance from Earth in light years is 97.39. That's really far. That's a lot further than my love life will ever go. I just love cleaning the pool and looking at Delphinus, especially Rotanev. I bet you that this pool is as big or slightly smaller than Rotanev. You know what? Probably a lot smaller than Rotanev. The mass of Rotanev is 1.75 plus 0.002 m. And the stage of life cycle it's in is a subgiant star, which means it's not as big as a giant star, but it's not at the same size as a main sequence star. It is slightly bigger than it.
You see that up there? That's Delphinus. Alpha Delphini is the second brightest star in the constellation Delphinus. The brightness of the star is 3.77. Sorry, I have stardust on my hands. The color of the star is blue-white, and the temperature is 11,640 kelvins. That's pretty hot.
But
hotter
not
than
as hot
Ava.
as me.
Will she make the jump? Wow, she made the jump.
Let's talk about the second brightest star. The mass of the second brightest star is 2.82 space mass. The stage of the life that it's in is a main sequence. That's the same as our sun. The distance from Earth is 241 light years. That's pretty far. By the way, the mass is probably bigger than the chance you'll ever get a boyfriend. Just saying.
Interview time.
Cody, what is your favorite thing about Delphinus?
It being a dolphin.
Wow, interesting. Next, what did you learn about this constellation?
I learned about the brightest star and all the qualities of it.
Okay, bye!
You saw it here first, folks. Okay, Ava, what is your favorite part about the constellation of Delphinus?
It's a dolphin, and I like Percy Jackson, and I like how it was named, and I love dolphins.
Okay, so next question. What is one thing that you learned during making this project?
I learned about the brightest star and the second brightest star, and I learned that the lower the brightness number, the lower the magnitude, the brighter the star actually is. Okay, Molly, what was your favorite part of choosing Delphinus, or why did you like Delphinus so much?
Well, I like dolphins because they're kind of like sharks and yeah. And then I really like dolphins.
Cool. Now, what is one thing you learned from doing this project?
That the thing actually doesn't look like a dolphin, like whatsoever. I just thought you should all know that. And I learned about the second brightest star, and it's kind of hot, like me.
Oh, thank you, Molly.
Do you guys want to fail this class?
Oh, there's that bell!
I ride my horse all the time. That's a frog! I ride my frog.
Let's get some sunglasses. Wait, should I get sunglasses?
Yes.
Oh, I'll get my princess sunglasses! Okay, guys, which one should I wear? The ones that match my hat. Or my princess ones.
Princess.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
No, get it right here.
Listen to the normal.
Look at this beautiful ocean.
Listen to the noise.
Don't drop the